Our backyard cinderblock fence feels like a prison yard, minus the barbed wire, and I've been dreaming of painting it. So that's what we're doing this weekend. I knew I wanted something colorful, but with a contrasting background. So first things first, I broke out the paint sprayer to give the entire wall a couple coats of black paint. This is my first time spraying a fence like this, but from what I read online, you need to do 2 full coats, and each coat you spray horizontally and vertically. The center blocks are super porous, so they just soak up the paint. It's actually looking really good. I honestly could have left it like this. I love the black. I wanted to try and add a colorful mural to the back wall, and I've painted my fair share of patterns on things, but I'm not a muralist, and I will say that this was extremely hard. The wall was so textured, even just sketching out the design was tough. I used chalk to roughly sketch out my design. The first coat was looking like chalk paint, but at this point I was committed. I had to see it through. I knew it was gonna look better as I kept going. We live in Arizona, so I thought cactus and other desert plants would be a fun nod to the state, but it took me so long to paint this. The first coat took 2 days. The design is definitely super colorful and kind of chaotic, but I think it's fun. When I created the design, I knew I wanted something playful since I have a 1.5-year-old baby, and I knew she would love this. The second coat was a lot quicker going and definitely helped make the whole design look a lot cleaner. I'm interested to see how the colors hold up in the sun. I think the fence is super fun, and I'm glad I decided to paint it from this boring center block, but what do you think? Would you paint your backyard fence?